Welcome to Phoenix Trading. Here we are again looking out the Nifty overview for the coming week. So as I discussed last week, and I have uploaded the video also yesterday. So Nifty came near our buying range, and we get a good move of 350 points in a Nifty, right? So from 16,733, we get a good up move around 17,150. So this is a nice move, and regardless of RBI policy, Nifty shows a really good upward movement. Why this has happened, right? This is just because of Nifty came near the really good range of buying, and we have seen a good, really nice buying here. But the problem is now Nifty will react very violently or what very volatilely in this week. Why? Because Nifty has a multiple resistance now and a multiple support also there lying, right? So uh, quite a bit confusing state here for the traders, but for investor it's a good time to accumulate good stocks, right? You won't find any good swing trends in this time period in this phase, but you will get a good opportunity to accumulate good stock. Like on 9:30 in the morning, I said that I added little Nifty Bs and it went up to around 1.1 or 1.5%. So I get a good return, right? Small returns, but it's a good addition actually. It is not for trading, it's just for investment, but it's a good addition, good value addition. All you have need to see that a good value addition when you are investing for long term. You can't just blindly invest on any level. Okay, it's a one method that you have to invest on any level. Okay, it also give a good return in the long term in index, but when you started adding on a key levels, so that accumulates a good difference. And if you are getting 12% in the long run, if you started doing and investing wisely with the study, you will get that return up to 18-20% also in index investing, right? So this is just one overview of mine. So let's talk about Nifty. So here is a gap. If you see, here is a gap of this days, and almost 5 days highs are on the 17,200 level. So Nifty is not able to break this resistance easily because there is a gap and there is a heavy seller sitting here, because this was earlier a support and it become a resistance now. So even if Nifty feel this gap, it again feel the pressure of the seller, and Nifty can react again to this level. And if Nifty wants to go upward, then there is a one more. This trend line is coming here. Then there is a top. These two highs are there, lying swing high. So there are multiple resistance, multiple hurdles are there for Nifty. Okay, on every 300 points, we can see a selling. So Nifty will react. Nifty have to move create a very good tall green candle, or at least has to remove one or two resistance in a one candle. Then only we can see a trend changing. Currently, the trend is very choppy because there are support at every level. This low will act as a support now. There is a mid of this range is a support. Then there is a 16,353 is a support line here. So there are multiple support and multiple resistance. So for trader, it will be a very tough time, and the international news are also floating. Many news are floating in the market. So trade wisely in the Nifty, right? Now we will see the sector-wise analysis. Bank Nifty has taken again, sorry, Bank Nifty has taken again support on this trend line. So this trend line is acting many times as a support for Bank Nifty. But what now? This range, this top range will act as a resistance now. So Bank Nifty might create a head and shoulder pattern here. If fourth time Bank Nifty came to will fourth time, if Bank Nifty come to this trend line, then there is a possibility that we can get a breakdown from here, and we can see a major correction in banking stocks. So as per the US dollar also increasing, so there is a chance that we can see a breakdown in the Bank Nifty. So I need to watch. I will avoid any banking stock this week or for swing also, because unless and until this 40,000 level again regained by the bank Nifty, I will not trade right into this segment. So the next sector is metal. Metal sector is slowly creating a kind of a cup and handle pattern actually, like this. So even if you are taking position, this is a very low risk and reward, very high risk and reward we can say, because the reward is very high and risk is very low around here. So you can take metal stocks for this week for a swing if you want, because the stop loss is very low. And if we get a breakout of this level, supposedly within the 2 weeks, right, then we can get a massive rally in the metal stocks. So kindly watch for this sector. Pharma is slowly approaching towards this long-term trend line, which we have drawn many days back. So if we get a good, nice breakout, and if that retested and sustained, then we can see a good rally in pharma stocks also. So keep watch on pharma stocks this week, because this is the most lagging sector till now, and now it is approaching. It is holding this trend line, and it is approaching its upper trend line also. So keep watch on pharma, keep watch on metal, avoid banking for this week. IT is breaking down. IT has broke down this trend line also. So it might. I have a feeling that after consolidation, it again break down for the downside also. So for a while, avoid IT stocks. FMCG is going good, but it's totally sideways. You won't get any fresh new swing trades in the FMCG. Uh, Small cap is looking good. Yes, small cap is looking good because after a breakout, it again retested and it is sustaining now. So you have a very specific stop loss of this index. So you can collect a quality small cap stocks for a swing trade. Auto is consolidating, not much in the auto sector because there are multiple supports and not no action happening for this week or a coming week also. PAC sector again took a support which we already drawn few days back, right? So it is holding this support because this is a demand. This works very nicely in the market. Currently, this is holding, and we should wait for a breakdown or a breakout of this level, right? So this is again good risk reward setup. You want to invest in PAC stocks, so you can go and invest there with a low risk and reward setup, right? And all this is these are my just this all uh, study is for just for study purpose. This is not any recommendation from my side, as I am not a SEBI registered. So this is just for a study purpose. If you have to take any trades, then you can consult your financial advisor. Here is our the mid cap 150. Mid cap 150 also in a strong position. It is holding its previous resistance. Right, these are the resistance zone of previously, and it is holding now. So unless and until these levels are in intact, we are good to have a mid cap segment trades also. PSU banks after breakdown, it is retesting these levels, and I don't think in this week it will cross this again, because this resistance became support, but it won't hold. It again break down. So unless and until this levels regain again, this zone will act as a resistance. So for me, uh, this level should be act as a support, right? So I need some closing about this level. Till then, we should avoid PSU banks also. Energy sector looking good. It is holding this trend line again and took a support exactly from this level, right? This trend line also we have drawn few days back, so it is holding that. So for me, pharma, metal, and energy sector. These three sectors is on my watch list for this week for swing trade. And for investing, you have a good opportunity to accumulate. Whenever Nifty is going down 1.5%, 2%, there is a good chance to accumulate index funds also. So those who have a doubt on how to trade index funds can directly message me. I will guide them. So yes, there is nothing much. I guess one trade is there. NMDC I sorted out. Okay, this is the trade which creating a good pattern actually. This is kind of a head and shoulder pattern, and you have a very low risk reward right now, right? So stop loss is very clear of about 120 rupees. You can buy about this level of 130, and the targets are around 150, 150, 160. So this is a good trade. I will create a positions on Monday in this trade, and there is a second trade. This is already given actually. This trade already given around 330 and the target was 370, but this trade hit a high of 390 almost. So already we have done one trade in Lakshmi Chemicals, but again it is approaching at the same level of 330 again. And I think the volumes are really good in this stock. So we might take again a good trade because your stop loss is very, very less, right? So you can enter around 340 or 335. 335, 340 is a good level to enter, and 325 you will stop loss, and target will be again this level. Again 390 will be your level. If this level reach, then we again get a good pattern of inverted head and shoulder, and the next target will be 475, 500 rupees. So this is also good risk reward setup for me. So these two are the trades for this week. Okay, then thank you. Thank you for watching. That's it for this week. And even if you have any doubt about your trades, what to hold, what not to hold, then you can directly message me. I will update this number to my channel. So thank you for watching. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.